Hi guys, this is question 37, and the question type of this question is this equation. Okay, there's a really long passage there, but we have to read it, right? Yeah. A botanist is cultivating a rare species of plants in a controlled environment and currently has 3,000 of their plants. Population of the species that the botanist expect to grow next year. So and next year is the next year of the species and can be estimated from the number of plants this year. And this year is the amount of species that has in this year by the equation below. And next year is equal to and this year plus 0.2 and this year multiple 1 minus and this year divided by k. It looks very difficult, but the thing we have to check is whether the n is next year or this year. So it doesn't, no, so it's not that difficult. So don't be afraid. The constant k in this formula is the number of plants the environment is able to support. So yeah, k is just a constant number. So according to the formula, what will be the number of plants 2 years from now if k is 4,000? Okay, we know that k is 4,000 and we have to know what does that mean, which was the number of plants 2 years from now. So I'm gonna say, and yeah, from now means this year, right? So, and this year, and the next year is, and next year, right? But the question said, the question want to know the number of plants 2 years from now. So we have to add one more years to the next year, which is and 2 years. Okay. So let's see. We know that there's an equation here. So for this situation, the equation is exactly same. Because, yeah, because this is the next year and this is this year. And the question said, currently has 3,000 of these plants. So we can say, and this year is 3,000. So let's calculate the next year. And next year is, and this year, which is 3,000 plus 0.2. And this year, which is 3,000 divided by, I don't know, multiple 1 minus this year 3,000 divided by k 4,000. I just put the numbers to the equation. Okay. When you calculate this, 3,000 plus 600 multiple 1 minus 3/4, which is 1/4, and you will get 3,000 plus 600 multiple 1/4, which is, what is it? 1,500. Yeah. So 3,150 is the amount of next year. So let's see the next situation here. As you can see, next year and this year, we can change this year to next year, and we can put 2 years to the next year because the next year of next year is 2 years later, right? And we know the value of k, and we know the next year, which is 3,150. So we can also get the and 2 years. Let's see. and 2 years is equal to, and this year, which is next year, 3,150 plus 0.2. This year, 3,150 multiple 1 minus 3,150 divided by 4,000. So let's calculate this. I'm gonna use the calculator. You know that 3,150 is just 3,150. So 0.2 multiple 3,150 is 600 630, and 1 minus 315 divided by 400. So I'm gonna do this. 1 minus 315 divided by 400 is 0.225. All right. No. Sorry. 0.02125. Anyway, so 3,150 plus 606, multiple 0.2125 is, let's see, plus 630 multiple 0.2125 is 3,283.875. Okay, and the question said round your answer to the nearest whole number. Whole number is just integer. So you can say 3,284 is the nearest whole number. The solution looks difficult, but if you check one thing individually, then it's not that difficult. Yeah. So please read the question carefully and check your calculation always.